Hi, I'm Colin Fassnidge. This is
May.
And this is
Lily.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm going to say, and I'm May.
Hi, I'm Colin Fassnidge.
I'm May. And I'm Lily.
We're happy to be supporting Coles and the Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation. So what have we got in the menu today?
A tomato and zucchini tart.
So tomato and zucchini tart, what do we need? Number one, we've got some puff pastry we've cut into a square. It's on a non-stick mat, you can put it on a non-stick pan. I'm just going to cut a little border around the side. So what you do is you put your tart inside the border, so this helps rise around the tart. What's next, May?
You want to get your tomato sauce. We added some olive oil with.
Yeah, keep it inside the square. That's good. What's next, Lee?
Your tomato and zucchini.
Yeah, what do we do with that?
You pour it in.
To a bowl. We add a little splash of olive oil. What else do we add?
Your salt.
And pepper. Give that a good season. Mix that up. Don't mix it, because you don't want to get your hands dirty, do you? Mix it up. Then what we do is we lay the tomatoes along the border of the tart, because what's going to happen is the pastry is going to bubble up around the tart. And then you're going to add your zucchini in and out of your tomato. Look at that. So you've got your zucchini and your tomato inside the border of your tart on top of your passata or your tomato sauce. How are we going to make it look better, Meg?
We're going to get a herb. We got some basil, tarragon,
Chard.
Pastry and chard.
All picked from the garden this morning. It's a really great garden kitchen dish. Fresh, healthy. What's your favourite part?
Pastry.
What's your favourite part?
Tomatoes.
Right, give me a bit of pepper on top. Little pinch of salt. So we're going to cook this for?
20 to 25 minutes.
At?
180.
We'll see you then. Okay, so our tart's just come out of the oven. Where we did the little border, the pastry's risen up around the tart. The tomatoes are all soft. The zucchini's nice and juicy. So just at the end, add a little bit of fresh herbs from the garden. Ready to serve. What a great lunch. Well done from Colin,
Maeve and Lily.
So that's our tomato and zucchini tart.